Cause them way in here, you will see them can't even get abusive too. So, Candy Seller by Louise Bennett. Candy lady, candy mom, business bad nowadays. Lady with the pretty little boy, buy candy. Go on your ways. You're right for take the picnic by hand. Coop on him nose hole. Yeah, them a tear up like say what hecmatize my candy bowl. Nice young gentleman. Come here. Buy candy, what you want? Pin the cake, one glove. But if you don't want buy none where you stop up, just move from your yard, sir. We don't have nothing that give way. Give the lady pass. We come. We're not going to join the Air Force when they have plenty use for bomb. Lady, come buy nice candy. Them all is what I like. Yes, what you want? Peppermint? Oh, thank you, ma'am. Kiss me neck. I want more fun, mom, she buy. What a red canoe man mean. Who are footing at the wedgie boot and favor submarine. I wish they turn back for. She must love hear my mouth. One, how you shouldn't walk and hear your close favor block out. Me can't pick up a big same thing like I used to draw that blank. After me no day a war, and me not collect no German tank. Just one. Nice young man. Nice white man over there. Yes, talking to you. Don't pass me by so. Come buy a nice one glove. Me say, when certain people go for ugly, they're ugly, sir. When face hang down like a when jackass feel bad, eh? Lock sit down, me da lift off no ya, sir, like a how the store them a lock up now. But we tries me go along for sell some more. So right now, me just a go see if me a go get a break. Bye, peppermint. Till all right, my gone. Fresh pin the cake. Aye.
Very good. Come on, you're bad.
Another round of applause for time.